Balikan natin ang mga naging kaganapan sa nakalipas na 5 linggo. Our country needs perseverance, discipline, and determination. We ensure that our students develop these qualities.
Midway made sure that its employees are properly equipped with trainings on how to face this better normal.
Everyone is excited and elated in using an innovative way of teaching. With innovation comes advancement.
With this, we partnered with Odentas Technologies Incorporated on the use of Microsoft Teams to deliver quality education while ensuring the fun and excitement in learning.
Meanwhile, here is the glimpse of what transpired during the second week.
The teachers of English encouraged the students to use the English language to practice introducing themselves. We also celebrated the National Heroes Day. Every day, we can see heroes everywhere. Nurses, doctors, seafarers, all are frontliners, and of course, us teachers included. We salute you all. This month of September, we also celebrated a special occasion that is very close to the institution's core.
With that, we would like to give an honorary salute to all the seafarers in the world.
As we continue into the 4th week of conducting our online classes, the Institute of Technical Skills and Development Department became even more creative with its lessons. From housekeeping, bartending, food and beverages to bread and pastry, the instructors made sure that all CSHRS students would develop professional competencies. And on our 32nd founding anniversary, the institution conducted a virtual online quiz bee using an application called Kahoot. It resulted in an overwhelming response from the students. The elimination round became a promotion for learning and fun. The week became an avenue for activities where the students got to engage and socialize virtually. We uphold the virtue of every Filipino citizen: disciplined, respectful, responsible, and smart. These are just some of the characteristics of our future student leaders. Midway Colleges conducted a virtual voting system where the students had the freedom to choose the rightful student representatives and leaders of the SSC.
Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting us in this election. Even in these trying times, we will ensure that your safety, well-being, and your education will be of utmost importance. Also, let us show the world that we can be driven even in this pandemic. Midway strong.
Divine providence, respect for man and environment, integrity, volunteerism, excellence, and nationalism. Driven by our core values, we will continue to give the highest quality of education. The link to your future is here. Be part of the Driven family.
That has been a recap for the first 5 weeks of this semester. Thank you for joining us. I am your teacher caster of the week, Binibining Judith Charmaine Matile. See you again next week, mga ka-Driven.